Welcome back to CodeCraft by MAK. So far we have installed Python, written our first program and learned about variables and data types. In this lesson we will explore an essential part of programming, that is operators in Python. Operators are symbols that tell Python to perform specific actions like adding numbers, comparing values, or making logical decisions. First we have arithmetic operators. These are used for basic math. For example, x is equal to 10, y is equal to 3. Then arithmetic operators are plus, minus, multiply, divide, modulus, and exponent, that is the power of something. For example, x plus y, 10 plus 3 is equal to 13, 10 minus 3 is equal to 7, and so on. Next we have comparison operators. These check relationships between values and return true or false. For example, x is equal to 5, y is equal to 10. Then comparison operators are greater than, less than, equal to, or not equal to. If we see x greater than y, which means 5 greater than 10 is not true, so it means it will return you false, and so on. Then we have logical operators. These combine conditions. The logical operators are and, or not. And is true if both conditions are true, or is true if at least one condition is true, and not is reverses the result. Let's take an example. X is equal to 7, then x greater than 5 and x less than 10, which means 7 is greater than 5 and 7 is less than 10, both conditions true, so it means the result is true. And next is 7 greater than 10 or 7 is equal to 7. So one condition is true, which is 7 is equal to 7, which means it will be true as well. And the next is not x equal to 7. So 7 not is equal to 7, but not means the reverse, so it will return the result false. Let's see a real world example. For example, age is equal to 18. If age greater than 18 and age is less than equal to 60, then print you are an adult, else you are not an adult. This is a very simple example. This uses arithmetic, comparison, and logical operators all together. Okay. So you have understand how to use arithmetic, comparison, and logical operators in Python. In the next video, we will move to conditional statements, if, else if, and else, the real decision making power in Python. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the upcoming lessons only on CodeCraft by MAK. Thank you.